I need to load the gun first. Well, I need to practice a little more. Hey YouTube, this is PuertoRecon, and today I got a Remington Maverick 88 Security. This is one of the best self-defense rifles, and today I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing and first impressions. This is a 12 gauge pump action shotgun, so let's open it real quick. Instructions and some lock for your gun. So this right here. Here we got the barrel. Chamber for 2 3/4 and 3 inches shells, 12 gauge, 18.5 barrel. A little dusty. Here we got what we want. Sorry, the box started flying. So the big part is the whole body where you put your shells in, you have your trigger, your stock. This is the main part. Then you have your barrel right here. To install the barrel, you just put this halfway, then you just slide the barrel in, like twist it in, and you're supposed to be ready to go. I'm unlocking this, put it halfway. This is just supposed to slide in. Pull this back. So I installed my shotgun already. Supposed to pump it a couple times. Twist it for another click, then you're gonna start loading it. The gun can hold 5 + 1 in the chamber. These are the first 6 rounds through my Maverick 88. Woo! The pump action is actually really easy to go back and forward. Like it a lot. They're gonna have a little bit of a kick, but I guess that's on any shotgun. So I like it. I like it a lot. Let's show a couple more rounds now. Let's load it for a second time. The handle has to be forward so you can load it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you pump it, close it, and one more. 6. Give me a second, the target is down. Now I'm just gonna try to do a trick shot real quick. First miss. Oh, second try, last try, because this is my last round. Okay? I need to load the gun first. Okay, now for real. How I missed so close? Well, I need to practice a little more. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and see you till next time.